When thinking of what kind of business to open, it's important to think about all the different types of business entities and what your intentions are and what will best serve what your goal is. One important business entity is a limited liability company, an LLC. To file a new LLC, these are done through SunBiz, which is the Florida Department of State's website. And while filing on SunBiz may seem easy, following the step-by-steps online, there are some common mistakes that can be made. For example, the registered agent must be a Florida resident or Florida person, and also the abbreviations for the managers or members, if you're filing for a limited liability company, can sometimes be confusing. You'll likely want to have your managers listed on SunBiz, as they are the persons authorized on behalf of the company to bind the company or make decisions for the company. Now, while you may be done with your filing on SunBiz, it's really important to know that there are other important governing documents for your business entity that are required and that are definitely necessary as you continue to open your business. And one of the most important documents is the operating agreement. The operating agreement sets out all of the aspects of your business that may need to be in writing beforehand, especially if you're working with other managers and members. Your managers, as I mentioned, are those individuals that can bind the company and are in control of the day-to-day management and business and operations of the company. Your members are those individuals that own the company, so they don't need to be in the day-to-day operations, but they have an ownership interest in the company. The operating agreement will outline all of the powers that these managers have to bind or otherwise control or manage the affairs of the company. For example, they may be able to purchase assets or property or encumber the company in mortgages or other things of the like. And it's important to have these outlined because if you are planning to purchase a real estate property, and through your LLC, that LLC will need to have an authorized person signing on their behalf. So it's important to have this document so that they can have the full authority to purchase that real estate property. The operating agreement will also list out other important aspects such as capital contributions, bookkeeping and record keeping, and also dissolution of the company and other important aspects of the like. So it's not only important to have your business structure fully set forth in this operating agreement, but also to ensure that any liabilities are also being addressed. So I highly encourage you to always make sure you have all of your governing documents for any business entity that you plan to open.